shit.
Whoa, something broke. Something broke in the car.
Oh,
My God. Jimmy climbs out of the car and says, yeah, guys, I'm
the
okay.
driver is still alive. Oh my god. Damn. You alright, police officer?
Sawallich has done a great job today hanging in. Look!
Whoa!
McDowell, Sawallich. There was contact with Austin Hill. Taylor Gray got a piece of it.
Oh, slow down, guys.
Oh, the
What the heck is that guy doing?
Josh Balicki.
I mean, why would he do
This
that?
is some big crash, bro.
You know who he is. You okay?
Oh! What this guy doing? Whoa! What the fuck? This guy run! Where is he? Whoa! Oh my god! Car crash into home as couple relax with dogs. Where the car?
And then you still don't see it? You still don't see it? Yeah. You still don't see it? Oh, dude. Oh, I don't know what he's gonna do. He's gonna blast it.
Oh my god!
Jesus.
Dang.
If you ride like lightning, you're gonna crash like thunder.
Yeah.
По выходным с 13:00.
Чем Яндекс Навигатор и Google карты навител.
Oh my god. That's her. Whoa.
Там что-то покувыркались часов до 4 ночи, блядь.
Hey. Oh. Whoa. Damn. Oh. Shit. Oh my god.
Я говорю, а было